Your boundless grace carries me like a bird soaring in the sky with clouds passing by. It is you who takes me by the hand, who gently leads me. For you alone can understand every tear I cry, every whisper of my heart. I know who carries me through. It is you. Brisk autumn days set the trees all ablaze. Their red and gold leaves paint the scene. Winter's cold chill is soon ushered in with a blanket of pure sparkling snow. From the brightest of days to the darkest of nights, to when the morning is kissed by the sun. In every season I truly can see, Lord, your beauty sings. Lord, your beauty sings. He spent all he had on foolish worldly things. He threw away his happiness along with all his dreams. And as he saw life in a different light, he came to realize all he wanted was his Father by his side. Oh, but how could his Father ever accept him again after he had been so cruelly rejected? So many times I am afraid to speak up. They may turn me away or not listen at all. But I need to remember that it's not about me, but of your saving grace and gift of hope for eternity. Speak through me, Lord. Show them that you are the way. Speak through me, Lord. I want them to know you, and I shall not be afraid. shadows of your darkest night to unveil a brand new day. Its rays will shine brighter than the dawn. I promise healing will come. What peace, my soul is at rest, my destination is sure. On this narrow way, I've no need to fear, I know my future is secure. I am saved, because He went to Calvary, I believe, His word has told me so, that I'll live forever in glory for the one who believes in Jesus' name will live eternally with Him. Along the way, you'll face trials and temptations, and days will come when you'll feel you cannot make it through. But always keep your eyes fixed on the Lord. He'll never leave you alone along the way. A brand new start is in reach. You can find it when you fall on your knees and call to the one who can pick up all the pieces of your shattered life and carry them away. If you are ready to make a new beginning, He can give that new life to you today. Yes, Jesus is the one who can pick up all the pieces of your shattered life and carry them away. Show me the weary, the hurting, everything I chose not to see. And as I bow my head in prayer, may this be my plea, dear Lord. Show me what I need to see. This is the moment we're given. We are not promised another. Why then do we live so leisurely, as if we'll be here forever? For this could be the last chance we're given to tell one more soul of God's love. Won't you join with me? Let us live radically for the reason we are here, to share Jesus with the world. You are my sweet lover. You are my dearest friend, and I shall thank you for each day you give me life. You are my strong protector. Then you came, lifted away all that held me down. You broke my chains away till just your love remained. Now I can truly say I've been set free. I've been set free, flying on eagle's wings because of your love for me. Set His grace carries me like a bird soaring in the sky.